Today we're making gambas. We will be using 8 ingredients. So we have here our jumbo shrimps, peeled and deveined, flat leaf parsley, garlic. So this is a whole head of garlic. We'll be using paprika, nor liquid seasoning, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Let's start by chopping the garlic. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. Next, let's chop the flat leaf parsley. So what you can do is you can bundle them together like this. Make it as tight as possible and then slice. Okay, you can slice it to about this fine. Don't worry if it's uneven. That's okay. Next, let's season the jumbo shrimp. Start with salt, pepper, then salt, finish with Spanish paprika. Mix it in. Make sure everything's coated. Okay. Now let's cook. In a hot pan, add your olive oil. So you can use a lot in this case. So you can dunk your bread later, or if you're going to eat this with rice, you can add the oil to the rice. Maybe a bit more. Let's start with our garlic. So let's toast our garlic. So we've browned our garlic already. Make sure you don't burn the garlic because it's going to taste bitter. When it's brown like that, you can add in the shrimps. So these will cook really quickly, about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. So you'll know they're cooked when they turn opaque. So you can check. Just a bit more. Okay, this is how you want to cook your jumbo shrimps. You see they've turned into an orange color like that. You can turn them over. At this point, you can add in your seasoning. Okay. Not too much. The seasoning is optional. You can actually stop with just frying the shrimp. That's gonna taste great already. But I like to add the seasoning because it adds another flavor to the dish. Okay, now you can switch off the heat. It will be cooked by the residual heat in the oil. And last part is you can add in the chopped flat leaf parsley. Okay. And you can give it a good mix. Now let's taste. Slice through that. Okay. Now I have some bread here that you can dip in the oil. That's really good. If you eat this in a restaurant, this will probably set you back around 700 to 1,000 pesos. We just spent about 500 pesos for everything, for all of the ingredients. And you can make about 3 portions of this size. So you'll probably end up cooking your own gambas at home instead of buying from a restaurant. And we're done for the day.